Hi, if you are a banker and preparing for IABF certification exam, then you are on the right place. We are Geeky Bankers team and we provide all the possible courses of IABF certification exams. We provide two types of courses, MCQ courses and full courses. We also provide CIB optional subject IT. You can see here. We are available on Android platform as well as on iOS platform. So download our app to start your journey today. This is our WhatsApp number. So any issue, suggestion, you can just drop a message over this number. These are the few names of certification what we cover. We cover CIB IT, digital banking, IT security, prevention of cyber crimes and fraud management, information system banker, KYC AML, then some other ethics of banking, emerging technology and many more. And what we cover in the course, chapter wise lecture as per the new syllabus, previous year questions, chapter wise MCQ, video MCQs, revision classes and then mock test. These are the touch point. So this is our YouTube चैनल, दिस इज़ आवर वेबसाइट. आप वेबसाइट पे भी जो है हमारे कोर्सेज को देख सकते हैं, कौन सा कोर्सेज जो है अवेलेबल है, ड्यूरेशन, प्राइसिंग, क्या हमने कवर कर रखा है वो आपको मिल जाएगा. दिस इज़ आवर टेलीग्राम चैनल और ऐप में भी जो है वो आपको सारे कोर्सेज का अलग अलग जो है वो ग्रुप है. एंड दिस इज़ आवर अगेन कॉलिंग नंबर एंड व्हाट्सअप नंबर. सो प्लीज़ डाउनलोड आवर ऐप and start your preparation today only.